we are teaching defense against a chokehold from the rear, when the individual will choke you and he try to pull you down backwards and towards the ground direction. Please, Eric, let's go this way. Pull, pull, pop. One more time. Pa, pa. Slow. He pulled me. The first thing I'm going to do is resist the pull. That means I'm going to move back to come along with him and resist his ability to take me over to that kind of position. Again, I'm going to walk with him and shove my behind in that direction, so there's a lot of weight and a lot of ability for me to resist him trying to lift me up. His hands are just a squeeze of the fingers against the thumbs. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come from the front and take those thumbs directly into my chest. One hand will stay held, and the other one will continue to travel and strike him in the groin. While this hand is still held, I'm going to strike him towards the chin, and from here, I'm just going to open up gap and reevaluate or reassess the situation all over again. So one more time, smooth. Ba, ba. Thank you. Spread out, guys. Step by step. Nice and easy. We just take a step backwards into the left, and this is primarily, with your left foot backwards into the left, and this is primarily to bring yourself deep into him and to allow the weapon to sit in the center of his body. So 1 and back, and 1 and back. At the same time, take your head and try to find where his groin is. 1 and back, and 1 and back. Both hands going to come directly from the front, and they will pull towards your chest. 1 and back. Don't forget, you want to try and see his groin. 1 and back, and 1 and back. Let's continue with the right hand with a palm strike towards the groin. Again, you want to use your wrist and elevate his groin as much as you can into his body. And 1, boom. Again. 1, again. 1, again. On 2, we're going to elevate the rear elbow, try to catch him right in the chin. Hand. 1, 2, again. 1, 2, again. 1, 2. Take your right foot, put it behind, and you are in a fighting position, ready to continue. Again. Head. 1, 2, and continue to fight. Let's do everything in one, nice and easy and slow one time. And 1, thumb, thumb. Again. And 1, palm, palm. Okay, what I need is ladies, face that way. Guys, back to the wall. Choke and pull, please. Keep going, please. A lot of speed attackers. Aggressive. And again. And again. Thank you very much.